Hi everybody, before this video begins I just wanted to say that I filmed this video really long ago, so this was filmed actually before we visited Japan last year, and my hair is not this colour anymore. So when you see my newer videos and you see that my hair is not this colour, I didn't have a random change of heart. This was just filmed super duper long ago, but I thought it would be a waste to not upload it, so I hope you enjoy.
Hey guys, it's EELOFTHEWORLD. Today I am back with another hair dyeing video, and I know everyone is probably thinking like, why do you dye your hair so often? And it's only because when I use like fun kind of colours, they come out really quick, so every time I redo it I just feel like I should film it. If you've seen some of my previous videos, you will know that my hair was a blue colour and I really liked it being blue, but the problem with blue hair dye is when it fades out it goes green. I still don't really like it. It's not too bad and I don't mind it, but it's just like, it's not really blonde and it's not really blue and it's like this weird green swamp colour and I just want to get rid of it. I've been looking at ways to try and get this out of my hair, and I don't really want to be bleaching over it again because I just don't think I should be bleaching my hair that much. I tried to wash it out with washing up liquid and that's got it to this colour. It wasn't as light as this before, and the washing up liquid, like just one wash with that really helped. So today I am going to be dyeing over the top of this with this. Now this is the Mise-En-Scene Florist edition in the shade 7P, which is rose pink, and it's this beautiful kind of like purpley pinky reddy, like it's really nice. I really like it. This is a bubble foam hair dye, which is very similar to the Lisa or Lise or whatever it was called hair dye that I used before, and I'm going to link that video in the description because that was a very similar colour to this, so you can kind of see the comparison. So this is the colour that it looks like now. This is after 30 minutes, and now all I have to do is wash it off until the water is clear. I had to look online because the instructions are all in Korean. Once you've washed it off until the water is clear, you put the serum into it, which is this orange packet, and yeah, so I'm going to do that now, and then when I come back you can see how it looks. This is the finished result and I really like it. It is not the colour that was on the box, but I still really like it. This is one of those dyes that tends to look different in different types of lighting. So above me now, like that, you can't see it, but it's above me at the back kind of, is my light. And it's an artificial light, but in front of me there is two big windows, so this is about as like natural as I'm probably going to get it on film. I can like take a picture outside maybe and show you the difference, but this is just how it would generally look in most kinds of lighting. However, downstairs there is another light that makes it look more pink, and when it's kind of darker it looks more purple, so it just kind of depends on the kind of light that you're in. Just for clarification, like this is the colour on the box. It's very similar, but this is more of a pink than it is this colour. I don't know if you can tell, but there is quite a big difference. Overall, I'm really happy with the result. I really liked this hair dye because where it was kind of a foam hair dye, it was a lot easier to use and a lot easier to do on your own than having like someone do it for you. And there was mess, like I'm not gonna lie, but it wasn't as messy as using like a liquid hair dye or like one of the paint on ones. I managed to cover like every little inch of my hair by myself, and the good thing about this is even though it looks kind of clear as a foam at first, as it starts to develop you can see it changing, so you can really see like where you need to like put more on, if you've missed any spots, and I just think like having that kind of clear indicator was really helpful. As for my hair's condition, it has not damaged it at all. It's actually made it really nicer than it was before. It came with like a serum which you put on before you wash it out completely, and that was like really nice. It made my hair really glossy and shiny, and I really am pleased with it overall. I would definitely recommend this if you're someone who is dyeing your hair yourself. This is a really good one to use. If you want this kind of colour, this is a good one to use. I did leave it on for 30 minutes to get this colour because it said 20 to 30 and I just left it on for 30 because normally I always just leave it on for the longest amount of time. I feel like maybe if I left it on for 20 minutes it would look more like the one on the box, but I still like this, so I'm not too fussed. So that is the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave a comment telling me what colour your hair is, and that is all I have to say. So thanks for watching. Bye!